Good morning, everyone. Indeed is not the only place you find jobs, especially jobs with sponsorship. There are various websites, verified websites where you could find jobs that will offer a visa sponsorship, and that's what we want to show you in this video. This one is actually very legit, it's owned by the NHS. We've got NHS job posted there, but also other jobs outside the NHS trust are also posted there. So I'm going to show you how to find those jobs and also how to verify if these companies have got licenses to sponsor you, which is basically what you're looking out for. Yeah, okay. So don't forget, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to share the video. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Let's get started. So I want you to go to this website. There is it, better.jobs.nhs.uk, and then candidate, or just I'll leave it. You know what, I'll leave it in the description, also comment section, for you to just go here. So what you need to do is you need to set up your profile, upload your CVs and co. It's just as simple as that. Set up your profile or update your CV on here so you could start searching for jobs. So when you find a job, you easily apply with that CV and profile you've set up. And it also allows you to search. You know, if you want to see a job you want and you can't apply at the moment, you want to come back to it, you've got your saved jobs. You could even job alert, set job alerts if there is any job you're looking for and you want, once they post a similar job that piques your interest, for you to be notified. You could do that as well. And then your profile and then application you've submitted, and keep up to date with that. It also has that. So for someone that is looking for job hunting, probably job hunting, and especially looking for jobs that will sponsor you, so you want to look out for not just so many things. Okay, so I also want you to open up this tab. So this is a website you use to verify if this company has got active license to sponsor you. So it's not just that they posted a job on the NHS job website. You also want to be sure that this company will be able to sponsor you. Yeah, if they've got license that can sponsor your visa. So let's take, for example, you click on search on here, and so what are you looking for? Search for jobs. And just by the way, so yeah, it's owned by the NHS, but it's not just NHS jobs that are posted here. Jobs outside, like companies outside of the NHS. I know NHS processes like rigorous and all of that and all of that. So if you want to work in NHS, yes, this is the website to use. And then if you want to what's it called, work outside of the NHS, also companies come here to post their jobs as well. Companies outside NHS. So let's take, for example, UNS. So UNS in the UK, and you're looking for companies that will sponsor you, NHS or no NHS. You come on here, search, and you could choose based on location. So if you want something within your locality, but I feel if you're looking for sponsorship, you should be able to spread out your tentacles, isn't it? So you could leave this empty, or you could just enter the location you want, the postcode, like postcode, then the distance. This I just left it at all locations. Yeah. And then you could go for more options for search. You could job reference if you know the job you are already looking for, or you just want to search specifically for NHS. If you want NHS, you could just put an NHS here, and then select your salary range. So if you're looking for sponsorship, you will be looking at salaries within the range of 20 to like 25k to 30k, which is within this range, which is what qualifies the company to be able to sponsor your visa, isn't it? Just within this range. Yeah, anything within 25 to 30, you could select this. But you know what, I'm just going to leave this out for now and just hit on search. Okay, so and then you want to come down here and select best match. You could use this closing date if you want anything. You could filter your search within these parameters. Okay, so and then if you scroll down here, this is what you have. Like, you searched for nurses, and these are positions for nurses. And why I like this website is it gives you like a brief summary of everything you need to know. This application is closing by 30th April. You already know it was posted so and so the 28th February. So it's been running for a long time. this is the salary, and this is Primrose Hill Surgery. So it's not an NHS what's it called job, but it's a company outside of the NHS that offers jobs as well, isn't it? So, and you can scroll down here, you see NHS. This is the company, Merseyside Care NHS Foundation Trust. So you know this is specifically an NHS job. And then Cambridge Medical Group and all of that. Keep scrolling. This is for nurses, as you can see. For nurses, okay. So let's take for example. Oh, okay, so this the NHS. So what's it called? This one. So let's start from the first one. So let's say you found Primrose Hill Surgery. The pay meets the what's it called? The salary that will qualify you to be sponsored. So the next thing, before I even start applying for this job, if it's just sponsorship you're looking for, if it's just job you're looking for, that's fine. Go ahead and just apply. But if it's sponsorship, you just want to make sure that look that these guys are actually sponsoring. Yeah. So you're just going to copy their name and come on this second website that I just showed you and enter, go to click on register of sponsors and enter it on here, Primrose Hill Surgery, and click on search. As you can see, voila, Primrose Hill Surgery has got sponsorship license to sponsor. You guys can see it, isn't it? So if you're a nurse and you're looking for sponsorship, look, this company sponsors you, so you know already. You are not just applying for a random job on here and it closes till the day it closes. So if you're not a practice nurse or nurse prescriber, whatever that means, band 6, salary £35 per hour, so you guys can see. And then every other thing about this job, where it's located, Camden in London, I guess. And then these are okay, and all of that, keep going down. So these are all the everything that comes to the job description. Okay, and then coming down here, must have current UK professional registration. These are for nurses, so it's the requirement. Yeah, and then essential current NMC ability to provide. Okay, and and that. So, and then at the end of this job, you see they provided employers website. This is not an NHS job, but you found it on this website, so you could still go to their website. If you click here, go here. Oh, okay, this their page on the on NHS website, not their direct. Okay, so the surgery is registered providing NHS services. Okay, yeah, but they're not owned by NHS. They're providing NHS services. You get. So you could find, I don't know if I guess what will be here wouldn't be about working for them. So I'm thinking like we're going to see. Oh, pardon me. I thought we were going to see like their career page, but no, I can't find the career page. So can support. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So there is nothing about a career page, but at least you find their emails here and also their numbers, which you shouldn't be calling. I guess an email will do if you want to mail them and talk about your job application. You get, but so this is it. It's very simple. This one offers sponsorship. So we'll go back again. We continue the same process. It's same for every one of these. There are over 526 positions for nurses if you're searching for nurses. So these are for nurses. It repeats the same process. There are so many of them. Surgeries looking for nurses and even groups in health group as well. So you can just as well, let's say you're a support worker and not a nurse. You search and then come down here. You've got Signet Healthcare. There's so many of them. Signet, I believe they've got license, but I don't think they offer sponsorship at the moment. So you just copy their name, come here and just verify. Signet Healthcare. Oh, Signet Healthcare. Signet Healthcare Limited. Signet Care Healthcare Limited. So they've got still got sponsorship. Two of them. They've got sponsorship licenses. Yeah. So, and then when we click on this, let's just see maybe description. They mentioned visa sponsorship, but I don't think so. They will. Scroll down. The hour is qualifies for the what's it called? Sponsorship, which is 13 pounds 15 per hour. The minimum I think is £12.85. And then essential, desirable, okay. And then that's it. And then it leads you to their website, employer's website. You click on his and then go apply on their website as well. There's an email to call, email, yeah, and all of that. When it posted and then when it's ending. And it's a full-time position. So that's it's just as simple as it gets. There are other places. Okay, we've got other job postings. We've got Equilibrium. Let's go. There are over listen here, there are over 1,037 positions for a support worker on this website. We've checked Signet. I think there is a whole lot of Signet. Oh, I've seen Priori. Priori is another one. I think these guys offer sponsorship as well. I've heard a whole lot about them. Priori Healthcare. Look, they've got sponsorship to sponsor as well. So, healthcare, their salary qualifies for sponsorship as well. Although they don't specifically say it on here. If you scroll down, they don't say something like they offer sponsorship here. But this is something you could take up to yourself. Look at the requirements. Yeah. So you could go to their websites, go to their what's it called, direct website, Priori. Look at it. They even have a job posting on their own website, direct website already, and you can go to. Oh, it says search jobs. Yeah. It says care and support something. Okay, search jobs. So they even have. Let's see if they even have so many positions for registered nurses and all of that. They've got so many other jobs, bank chef, bank cook, and so and so on their websites. Yeah, but you could apply here and still go over to their website and then go to probably an email, not an email. What's it called? Find a way to about us, or let's go to their homepage. So an email to reach out, like an HR person, to mail and ask for a follow up of your application. Let's see. I can't find any here. Yeah, I can't find any. I don't know why, but oh, okay, cause I'm on jobs. So let's just go to Priori groups. Because I'm on jobs, let's go over to Priori as a group. Okay, yeah. So this is where you find. No. Just looking for. Okay, yeah. In fact, Priori. So you could still submit your job application on NHS website, and then you could mail them to follow up with your application, if that makes sense. Yeah, and there is a whole lot of them on this website. So Indeed is not the only place you find jobs. There is a whole lot of them. You keep going. Oh, look at Elysium. You've got Elysium Healthcare as well. They've got another one. These guys, I'm 100% sure they sponsor. If you copy their name, go over to here. I've told you I've got an offer from them. I think 20 sometime. Is it 2023? Yeah, but I didn't follow up. You search. See, Elysium Healthcare. They've got sponsorship license as well. So Indeed is not the only place you find. And look, 25,000 a year. So they qualify. You qualify for sponsorship, and then it says hold a valid UK preferably. Oh, okay. So that will be it for now. Yeah, that's just it for now. So if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section, please. Leave it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We're trying to grow this channel and share valuable information that will help you secure jobs that will definitely sponsor your visa in this country. Wishing you all the best in your application, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.